Hey guys, it's me Ash, and in this short we are going to see how to make Indian flag on 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So let's start our video. So first you need to keep the cube with orange front and green bottom. Now the algorithm flows like this: S, D, F prime, R2, F, R, and then E prime, S prime, E, yes, and boom, here's the Indian flag. So easy, right? Let's just do it once again. Green bottom, orange front. Yeah, here's our Indian flag. So easy. And hope you like this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for amazing content like this. And thank you, and see you in next video.